Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. We have got an Astra today and it's a 2022 year model and it was new for 2024 as a casting by Matchbox. Some countries I think Astra was also sold as Vauxhall Astras, and I think in North America it was sold as Saturn Astra because GM owned all those brands at one time. Saturn is gone, it's no more. And I think Vauxhall and Opel are owned by different companies now. I mean, not by GM. So this is a 2022, so it's pretty modern, looks good. Let's open it up and see how does it look. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, while opening this, you have a chance to do that. So here is the Vauxhall Astra. Sorry, my bad. Opel Astra out of the packaging. It's done in a beautiful yellow color. I really like it. Yellow and black looks really good. Let's see up front. Again, nice details. You got detailed headlamp, you got the grille, the badge, the lower grille, and the number plate. It reads Opel Astra. It should be right-hand drive, I guess. I'm not sure, but let's start from this side. Again, you got the nice yellow paint. These wheels, I don't know how modern they look, but they look all right here. Obviously a different set of wheels would have looked even better. You got the door handles, you got the fuel filler cap, the mirrors which are mounted right low. I think it's missing paint here. We'll see on the other side. Something interesting, like they have done half glass and half metal here. I think new Astras have bigger sunroofs, so they might wanted to show that. I don't know if the actual vehicle does that. I will have to look into it. But again, it's good details, right? Coming to the back, again, nice details. You've got detailed tail lamp. You've got the Opel logo, Astra badge, and number plate again. And you've got this big spoiler too. You've got the shark fin antenna on top. And you also got the stop lamps on the side. Look really nice. The bumper is also like nicely detailed. You see the shape. You can also see the windshield wiper, rear windshield wiper here too. Now that's surprising. Is it a hybrid? Because I see another door on this side too. Might be. It's not sold in North America, so I don't know much about it. But again, yeah, good details. Looks good. The paint reminds me of Camaro, especially the hood and everything, like, you know, the Camaro. It looked like that from the front, the angles. But overall, nicely detailed car. Looks good. Yeah, if you know, like, if it's a hybrid or something, let me know. But the casting looks good. Yeah, especially for a mainline, looks really good. Well, those are my thoughts. I can't really see into interior, so can't explain much about it. Might be grey, might be black, because the glass is tinted. I can't really say what it does. But yeah, looks good. And I think I have a lot of Opel. Actually, I have an Opel Kadett in yellow. This will look good with it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.